All right, we just came into a cut that goes to Rat Cay. And boy, it's a narrow one, but plenty deep. And this is just what we're looking for. A nice secluded space after 10 days in the Georgetown community. Nice quiet beaches and beautiful water. Yeah, it looks like we'll have to share it with 2 other boats, but at least it's not 300. What do you think, Lena?
I love it.
Yeah, this is nice. Definitely a good place to be today.
Boy, we need to watch a drone.
A drone might work well here. Yes, that would be super pretty. All right. Well, let's get the hook down and enjoy this place. Totally crazy. 20 feet of water, and you can so clearly see the bottom. That is nuts.
I see a little bit of coral here.
Take a look at that here. So it's a fun thing to do. We have these little plastic bowls so we can look through the surface of the water and actually observe items on the bottom in pretty good clarity. You don't have a big viewing area, but you can get a good idea if that's grass or rocks or coral. So pretty cool. Or a conch. Yeah, Lena's spying conchs down there since we found a big bank of conch. But yeah, what a neat little place. Oh, how deep is it, Lena? Not too bad, huh? All right, we came ashore here at this little beach. So on the north side of Rat Cay, we saw a bunch of conchs on display. So maybe we'll pick through them and find one that's worthy of travels with us. Nice little cut goes out. We didn't come in this one, but it looks fairly straightforward. I don't think there's any real surprise there. Looks like plenty of water. Hello friends, I'd like to share today we have left Georgetown and we have pulled into Rat Cay. And despite the name, it's a very pretty place. We actually dinghied around a corner down towards the north end of it, and there's a beach down there that we would like to nickname Paradise Beach. It is a pretty one. So anyway, I would also like to take this moment to thank JP for the ice maker. Everywhere we go, ice is always welcomed. It's a pretty high commodity, well received when you bring a bag of ice to a party. So JP, many years ago, you gifted us an ice maker, and thank you, my friend. Cheers to all those at home, and cheers to you, Lena.
Cheers.
And yeah, we're enjoying life here. Thanks, John. Bye.
Thank you.